Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video we're going to be cutting up this beam here, and I'm going to cut it into smaller posts to support the center of the room. I'm going to put a couple back here to make it a little bit more permanent, and I'm going to make them adjustable. I'm going to put an adjustable temporary support on there, and that way down in the future I can swap the whole thing out and put in a main beam once I know I've got the house at the exact level that I want it throughout. So I'm gonna work on that today, and then I'm gonna get the materials in here for putting in my 2x6 cross-sectional pieces, and then I'm gonna get my subfloor in here. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and I hope you enjoy me using my setup with my cordless Cobalt vacuum hooked up to my cordless circular saw. So here we go.